Hi LBV, this is Kripa. Welcome to my home. I'm the principal designer and architect at Horse Plus Studio based in Anand Vihar, East Delhi. We take up high-end residential interior work, commercial and restaurants as well. This is one of our high-end residential work based in Noida, Sector 144 in Gulshan Dynasty. Come, I'll show you around. As soon as you enter, you're welcomed into a warm, intimate foyer designed to feel elevated yet inviting. The focal point is this hand-carved wooden console, classical in silhouette with intricate detailing, adding instant depth and character. So we walk into the house in the living room, which is a massive, expansive area as you can see. On the headshot wall, we have a beautiful piece depicting the Vishnu Vivran. It's a Mysore Kalam painting. It weighs over 300 kgs and is solid Burma teak wood. It was a mammoth task to anchor this with 4 supports on either sides. It uses vegetable colors and has gold leafing detailing as well, and it fit perfectly within our space. My father ended up selecting this piece just on a whim, and it was like it was made for our house. So very happy to have this as a headshot. So in terms of upholstery selections and curtain selections, carpets we got custom made from Bhadohi itself. Bhadohi carpets worked on each carpet for six months, which was a massive task. And each hand detailing, everything, the detailing in the carpets, the detailing in the upholstery was custom. We printed them, we made the drawings on CAD, then converted that into textiles and then have them stitched on top. So that's how the process worked for us, and it was a very fun process to do all of these selections for my own house, because I was given the creative freedom to pick whatever I wanted, and it came out very well. So from the living room, we directly enter into the dining area, which is again an open plan kitchen. We have a massive kitchen which faces our brass piece, the Banaras Ghats. It's an homage to my dad. He belongs to Banaras and studied there for a good 14-15 years. This is an actual picture that we took in the Ghats, and we got that converted into a brass sheet which was welded and took about 250 hours to make. So each detail, each 3D effect in this was minutely detailed out. This is the kitchen, the open plan that we did with the breakfast counter in place. We also planned for a lot of darker materials as compared to the rest of the house, which was done in beige and very soft finishes in terms of textiles and upholstery. The laminate selection, the wooden profiles for the shutters and everything was selected in a way that they were contrasting to the whole house. So we detailed it in a way where it slightly was giving the modern feel, as well as had that balance with neoclassical as well of the overall house. So another wall you see right as you enter the house is this particular mother of pearl laid out in stone, this particular wall. We got the mandir customized in Amritsar, which was in gold. We also did custom lighting for this entire place and a fascia that was done in teak and brass details. Everything is hand carved and right to precision. Come, I'll show you guys the master bedroom. The master bedroom was the best part of the house. My parents wanted something in wood but not too dominating. Horse Plus Studio is a detail-driven firm, and the details are very evident here. So we matched the wood in a way where we used a lighter tone and a darker tone together to complement each other. The darker tones were used in the furniture, which was also custom designed by us. We used gold accents to highlight each and every part of the room. And then we also did custom upholstery in terms of a pop of color of orange that matches with the olives of the carpet. So this was a very fun room to do because it turned out to be the best. Very Shimla vibes and very hill station vibes. Another hidden gem of this house, a jacuzzi with our own 30-second view floor view. The best part about this house is that it overlooks the Hindon River on this side. Come, let me show you. So the first thing we do every morning is come out to the deck and enjoy the views of Hindon River with a cup of coffee. We have outdoor furniture from Interblocco, again with nano-coated fabrics, weatherproof for all the areas that we have. And we also have an outdoor bar where we enjoy socializing with nice drink on the bar with a nice view. Thank you so much for coming along in this house tour. Follow Horse Plus on Instagram for more interior work and LBB for more such content. See you guys.